And we're back with a special knife review. This week we're going to be talking to you about the Wee Knife Sugga. It is a limited edition, which I can't get the little card out of there. They are only making 155 of this model, which is kind of too bad because this is a knife that I would actually use. We'll tell you a little bit about the specs on it, and then go over some of the features. This knife is 8.5 inches overall in length. Has a blade of 3.5 inches. Very thick bellied knife at 1.5 inch. It's made out of CPM S35VN steel. It is a drop point. Black stone wash with a little satin. Has a plain edge. The handle is almost 5 inches in length. It's a frame lock. Carbon fiber and titanium. But it weighs under 5 ounces at 4.88. It is right-handed, tip-up carry only. Also has a titanium spacer with lanyard hole. It's a manual flipper. And it was designed by Mikhail Williamson. This has all the extras and nice touches to it. As you can see, the screws are machined flat but raised. That extra little design, including the pivot. There is a design here in the titanium of the frame lock section. The styling of the blade. Now, if you were going to use this knife, some people will, it has excellent blade retention, has a solid foundation. The body or chassis of the knife here has a section that you can see slightly has a slight indentation where your thumb will fit. Fits perfect in there. But as I said, only 155 are made. The pocket clip is also titanium. So you can't really find a nicer machined knife than this Wee Sugga. The flipper, you can see it is ergonomically cut with creating a kind of a flat square choil area, and even on the other side fits in nicely with the body of the knife. Very smooth. I like this design a lot. I like this style of knife a lot. In the back here it has some indentations cut into the carbon fiber, making it just a little bit lighter. Every little area was given extra thought on this knife. Alright, so we're not going to show you how this one cuts because this one is a limited edition, and this one is going into my collection, and I'm not going to use this knife. I'll be tempted, but I won't. So this is the Wee Knife Sugga. You can find it at our website. I believe it's about, I don't even know, maybe $200, $295, somewhere in that area. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have all kinds of reviews and tons of other knife content. And if you're watching on Instagram, follow and like, please. On that note, this is the Wee Knife Sugga, and I am C with Atlantic Knife. slowly signing off.